Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet round motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use a cotton yarn and hook number 3mm. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring, then make 12 single crochet stitches into that magic ring, then close with the slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then start round 2. I will make a chain, then make single crochet as shown now and make 5 chains, then skip next stitch and make single crochet. Then I will repeat from the beginning across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. At the end of that round, I will make a chain and close with triple crochet stitch as shown now to close that round. Then I will make 3 chains, then make 4 double crochet at the same stitch to make a popcorn stitch. That is new round. I will make 3 chains and 4 double crochet into the first space to make popcorn stitch as shown now. Then I will pull that loop as shown now to close that popcorn stitch with the shape. Then I will make 7 chains and make 5 double crochet popcorn stitch into the next space as shown now. Then repeat 5 double crochet popcorn stitch into every space and make 7 chains between every popcorn and another as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will close that round, so I will make 4 chains and close with treble stitch to close that round. Then I will start new round. I will make a chain and make single crochet into the first space as shown now. Then make 2 chains and make single crochet above the first popcorn stitch. I will make single crochet, then 9 chains and close with slip stitch into the same stitch as shown now. Then I will make 2 chains and make 3 single crochet stitch into that space. Then I will repeat from the beginning as shown now across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will cut the yarn and fasten off as shown now. Then I will contrast color to beige as shown now and make a chain, then make single crochet into the same stitch, then make 7 double crochet stitches into that space of 9 chains from the previous row. I will make 7 double crochet inside it. Then make 2 chains and make 7 double crochet stitches into the same space as shown now. Then I will skip next 2 stitches and make single crochet stitch, then make 7 chains again and skip next stitch, then make single crochet. Then skip next 2 stitches and make single crochet stitch, then repeat with the same sequence from the beginning. So I will make 7 double crochet stitches into the next space and 2 chains and 7 double crochet stitches again into the same space, and repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will close with 3 chains and triple crochet stitches to close that round. Then cut our yarn and fasten off. Then I contrast color to brown and make 5 chains, then close them with slip stitch into the same stitch as shown now. Then make 5 chains and skip next 5 double crochet stitches, then make single crochet stitch as shown now. Then I will make 3 chains and skip next double crochet, then make single crochet into the next space as shown now, and make another 3 chains and skip next double crochet, then make single crochet as shown now. Then make 5 chains and make single crochet into 4th chain of next 7 chains from the previous row here as shown now. Then make another 5 chains and close with slip stitch as shown now into the same stitch. Then I will repeat from the beginning across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. At the end of the round, I will make 2 chains and close with triple crochet stitch as shown now. Then I will start a new round. I will make a chain and make single crochet into the same stitch, then make 5 double crochet stitches into the next space here, into that space. I will make 5 double crochet stitch, 5 double crochet stitches as shown now. Then make a picot stitch. I already made 3 chains and close slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then make another 4 double crochet stitches into the same space as shown now. Then I will make single crochet into the next space here and make 3 chains, then make single crochet into the next space and make 2 chains, then I will make another 3 chains to make a picot stitch and close those slip stitch to make a picot stitch as shown now. Then make another 2 chains and make single crochet into the next space here, then I will make 3 chains and make single crochet stitch into the next space as shown now. Then I will repeat from the beginning across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will cut our yarn and fasten off. Now I finished that crochet round motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.